I challenge you to give me just one real excuse why you are not able to join the $10 side hustle that I am currently a member of. I mean, most of us these days are just living paycheck to paycheck, even having to borrow money during the month just to survive. And most of us needing this relief just scroll past this, thinking it's just another scam or another too good to be true story. But look at this. These are real people, not AI generated robots trying to convince you into joining a scam. Just listen to this lady. Just listen how much she managed to make in just 1 week with this side hustle. Just listen.
With you guys, it's accomplishments, and look who's doing the things, guys. I have made 55,000 Rand for the week of last week.
And this lady, she already made 1 million Rand in this company. 1 million. This lady bought herself a house and a son, even a car, by being members of this side hustle. And I am also testament that this side hustle is totally legit and wouldn't risk my face on social media to promote the scam. This side hustle is very easy to join and available to anyone looking for an extra income. It's available worldwide. There's no buying and selling of products. You work your own time at your own pace. And don't get me wrong, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You won't make a lot of money next month or a month after that. You have to put in work in order to get the results that you want. So please, drop those excuses in the comments. Let me see what I can do. Otherwise, leave info and I'll send you the details.